Say goodbye to belly fat in 30 days. Welcome to the 30-Day Abs Transformation Challenge, the ultimate journey where science meets dedication to help you transform your body. Are you ready to go from bloated to toned? Stick with me for the next several minutes, and by the end, you'll have all the tools to make fundamental, noticeable changes in just 30 days. 1. Personal story of a good friend. Not long ago, a friend of mine was stuck in the same situation many of you are in, struggling with stubborn belly fat, feeling bloated, and not knowing where to begin. He tried fad diets, cardio, and even endless crunches, but nothing seemed to work, until he discovered a science-backed approach to core training and nutrition. It's not just about looking good. It's about feeling your best, light, energized, and strong. And the good news? In just 30 days, you can see real results. But it's not magic. It's about consistency and the right plan. This 30-day challenge will guide you through practical exercises, nutrition tips, and lifestyle tweaks to help you say goodbye to that bloated feeling and hello to a toned midsection. So let's get started. 2. Breakdown of science-backed routine. Our 30-day challenge is broken down into 3 phases so you stay motivated and see progress every week. And don't worry, it's science-backed and beginner-friendly. You just have to trust the process. Phase 1. Build the foundation, days 1 through 10. Montage of exercises, planks, leg raises, mountain climbers. In this phase, we focus on building your core strength with fundamental exercises like planks and leg raises. Engaging the deep abdominal muscles that stabilize your entire body is essential. Science tells us that training your core correctly is more effective than endless crunches. Eat whole foods. Focus on lean proteins and veggies. On the nutrition side, start eliminating processed foods and increase your lean protein, vegetables, and healthy fats intake. Reducing bloating is half the battle. Phase 2. From bloated to toned, days 11 to 20. This is where the magic starts to happen. Your body will adapt to the exercises and your metabolism will increase. We'll add intensity by incorporating moves like bicycle crunches, Russian twists, and weighted planks. These are designed to target the obliques and lower abs, giving you that toned look. In this phase, it's also time to dial in your diet. Hydration is essential. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to reduce water retention and bloating. And yes, you can still enjoy delicious meals while staying on track. Start your day with a warm lemon water to kickstart digestion. Phase 3. Abs in 30 days? Yes, if you stick with it. Days 21 to 30. The final 10 days are where we push ourselves to the next level. In this phase, we focus on high-intensity interval training, HIIT, mixed with core exercises. Research shows that HIIT burns belly fat faster than traditional cardio. These short, intense workouts will keep your metabolism revving long after you've finished. Here's a sneak peek of a workout you'll love. 30 seconds of burpees. 30 seconds of Russian twists. Repeat for 4 rounds. It's quick, but it will leave you sweating. At this point, you'll notice a difference, not just in your appearance, but in your energy levels and confidence. You'll feel lighter, stronger, and ready to take on anything. Phase 4. How to stay motivated and track progress. Tracking progress is crucial. I recommend keeping a journal or using a fitness app to log your workouts and meals. Take progress photos every 10 days. Sometimes the scale won't tell the whole story, but the mirror will. Celebrate small wins along the way. Did you hold a plank longer today than yesterday? That's progress. Did your jeans fit a little looser? That's what we're aiming for. Phase 5. The power of consistency and community. Remember, the key to this challenge is consistency. Some days will be tough. You'll feel sore. You might crave junk food. And that's okay. What matters is that you show up every day and keep going. And you're not alone. Join our 30-day challenge community, where we support each other through comments by sharing tips and celebrate every victory, big or small. Phase 6. The finish line. Real results. You'll notice physical and mental changes by the end of these 30 days. Your core will be stronger, your belly will be flatter, and you'll feel incredible. But more importantly, you'll have built habits you can carry long after this challenge ends. So, are you ready to transform your body and mindset in just 30 days? Take it one day at a time. Stay consistent, and the results will come. Bonus tips. Now that you've completed the 30-day challenge, you might wonder, what's next? The good news is that these habits don't have to stop here. The best thing you can do is build on the momentum you've created. Here are a few tips to maintain your results and keep progressing. Switch up your workouts. Your body adapts to routines, so keep things fresh by adding new exercises or trying different workout styles like yoga, Pilates, or weightlifting. Keep fueling your body right. Stick with the healthy eating habits you've established during the challenge. Focus on balance, not perfection. Remember, it's okay to indulge occasionally. Track your progress every few weeks. Take progress photos, measurements, or fitness tests to see how far you've come. You'd be surprised how motivating these little milestones can be. And here's the key takeaway. Fitness isn't a 30-day sprint. It's a lifelong marathon. You've just completed the first leg, and now you can do amazing things. Now it's time to take this challenge beyond yourself. Invite your friends, family, and workout buddies to join in. Share your story, inspire others, and keep the momentum going. Fitness is more fun when you do it together. You never know who might need that extra push to start their own transformation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with your friends. Leave a comment, and don't forget to like the video. I can't wait to see your progress. Let's crush this 30-day flat stomach challenge together. Thank you, and let's make this the month you say goodbye to belly fat, once and for all.